I'm starving. Can't wait to see what they've got here.
Same here. Everything on this menu looks amazing.
Yeah, I'm excited too. Though I didn't expect to see so many interesting options.
They're probably just being creative with the ingredients. Let's order.
Excuse me.
Good evening. Have you decided what you'd like?
Yep. I'll have the tempeh stir-fry. No nuts, please.
Certainly. And for you?
I'll go with the lentil walnut burger with extra avocado.
Good choice. And you, ma'am?
I'll take the mushroom risotto, please.
I'm afraid we don't serve that here. It's not vegan.
Not vegan? It's just risotto. Isn't this place vegetarian friendly?
We're actually a fully vegan restaurant. No animal products at all, including dairy.
Oh, right. Okay, then I'll take the mac and cheese.
Vegan mac and cheese, you mean?
Yeah, that's fine.
Great. Is there anything else you'd like?
No, that's all for now.
Yeah, we're good.
Same here.
Perfect. I'll be right back with your order.
Megan, I thought you were one of us. What's up with all the cheese requests?
Yeah, don't tell me you're secretly hoarding dairy behind our backs.
Well, I was planning to tell you guys eventually. I'm not actually vegan.
Excuse me? You've been eating vegan food with us this whole time. Were you living a double life, sneaking cheese behind our backs?
Oh, come on. I'm vegetarian. I didn't think it was a big deal.
Vegetarian? That's like vegan but with betrayal mixed in.
Betrayal? Since when is cheese a crime?
Since you walked into a vegan restaurant and tried to order it, you're lucky they didn't throw you out.
Please. You guys are acting like I'm the enemy now. It's just cheese.
Just cheese, she says. Next thing we know, you'll be bringing eggs to our dinner parties.
Oh no, I'd never bring eggs, but cheese? Definitely.
You know what? Maybe we should have known when you ordered pizza last week and didn't complain about the cheese.
Exactly. I mean, I've been trying to keep up with you guys, but I just love cheese, okay? Sue me.
We're not angry. We're just disappointed.
Get over yourselves. It's not like I'm eating steak in front of you.
True. But if we catch you sneaking brie in your bag, there will be consequences.
Well, if you want to drag me out of this vegan paradise just for cheese, I'll make sure to enjoy my mac and vegan cheese extra slowly.
Fine, but one day, we're taking you to a vegan pizza place. No excuses.
Deal. But I'm bringing my own cheese.
Here you go. Vegan mac and cheese for you, tempeh stir-fry, and the lentil burger. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks a lot.
Appreciate it.
Wow. Smells delicious.